Okay guys, ever wanted a bold editorial style hero section with a scrolling marquee and countdown built right in without a complicated setup? Well, this section keeps it simple while still giving you full control. Today we're adding this hero section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for Collection. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for Collection. Then choose that section. It will be added instantly. First, let's customize the layout. You'll get 3 different options here, and you can choose whichever one fits your store best. For the image, you'll add it to a blank placeholder. I'm adding a random one right now, and you can also set the image alt text along with the rest of its settings. Now let's move to the marquee. You can add your marquee text here, along with adjusting all its other settings. Below that, add a subheading, change its color, and customize everything else about it too. For the main heading, you can add an underlined word along with the rest of the heading text and adjust all its styling. Then comes the description, where you can edit the text and customize its settings as well. Now for the countdown timer. You can set the target date in ISO format, along with labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds, all fully customizable. Below that, you've got content padding settings and section layout settings too. Once you've customized everything the way you'd like, hit save, and this section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.